How will I know? How will I know love can be deceiving? How will I know? Will I know if he really loves me? I say a prayer with every heartbeat. I fall in love whenever we meet. I'm asking you what you know about these things. How will I know if he's thinking of me? I try to phone, but I'm too shy, I can't speak. Falling in love is all bittersweet. Slow and strong, why do I feel?